Welcome back to the C++ programming series for beginners. In this video, we will learn about one of the most important topics in programming, variables. Let's understand what they are, why we need them, and how to use them. A variable is like a box that holds a value. For example, if you want to store a number, a letter, or a word, you use a variable. You can give each variable a name, and use that name to store and read the value later. It helps the computer remember information while the program is running. In C++, every variable must have a type. The type tells the computer what kind of data the variable will store. Here are the most common types. Int for whole numbers like 5 or 100. Float for decimal numbers like 3.14. Char for single characters like the letter A. String for words or text like hello. Boolean for true or false values. In C++, when we create a variable, we follow a specific order. First, we write the type of the variable, like int or float. Then we write the name we want to give the variable. And finally, we can assign a value using the equal sign. For example, this means, create a variable of type int, name it age, and set its value to 20. Now let's write some more variables together. This is a float variable named weight. Floats can store decimal numbers. Here, we set it to 65.5. This is a char variable called grade. It holds a single character, and in this case, it is the letter A. Now we use a string variable called name. Strings are used to store text. Here, it stores the name Ali. Finally, we have a Boolean variable named as student. Booleans can only be true or false. In this case, it means the person is a student. Now let's print the values on the screen using cout. Note, don't worry if you don't fully understand cout yet, we will explain it clearly in the next video. We use cout followed by two less than signs to print something. Each line ends with end-l to go to the next line. Watch out for these common mistakes. Forgetting the semicolon at the end of a line. Using the wrong data type for a value. Trying to use a variable before declaring it. Assigning a string to an integer variable. And that's it for this video. Now you understand what variables are and how to use them in C++. If you have any question, leave it in the comments.